How to delete a review on Hotwire. Hotwire is a travel booking website and app that specializes in helping users find discounted rates for hotel rooms, rental cars, flights, and vacation packages. First, search Hotwire on Google and go to www.hotwire.com. Then log into your account. Navigate to the section of your account where you can view your past bookings and reviews. Find the specific review you wish to delete. Look for an option that allows you to edit or delete the review. If there is no direct option available, you may need to contact Hotwire customer support for assistance. That's it. Thanks for watching.